Hey guys, over at Alden Air, Leanne. This is Peter Gilpin with SEO Samurai. I spoke to Leanne yesterday. I believe she told me she was the office manager. Just had a couple questions on, what I might be able to do to help you guys out. So I just want to make this quick video and point out some things that I see you guys are doing right with your website, some areas that you might be able to improve, and then kind of what some of your competitors are doing as well to be outranking you guys. So simply put, the three things I want to go over are going to be content, your backlinks and keywords, and then your citations. So the first thing being content, it's really simple. Content is basically anything that you can highlight on your website. First and foremost, the format and like the layout of you guys' website definitely looks great. You have your logo here, you got a big call to action. It looks like you have a bunch of different pages and stuff like that. So that's all really great. The only thing is, as far as content goes, to be considered authoritative in the eyes of Google, you want to have at least 1,000 words on your homepage. Usually they want to see about 1,500 because when it comes to ranking for keywords, if you don't have an upwards of 1,000 to 1,500 words, it's really hard for Google to consider your content to be an authoritative amount. So even if you have good keywords in there, you're not going to have as high of a chance of ranking for them because Google just doesn't see enough content, and it's almost deemed like you're stuffing keywords, and they don't really like that. So that's the first thing I would do is, you guys definitely need a little bit more content. I think I plugged everything from your website over into word counter, and you're only sitting at about 600 words, which is not a problem, but I would definitely advise getting at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on you guys' homepage. And then for each of your back pages, you want to have about 500 words as well. So your back pages look pretty good. I think they could probably still use a couple hundred more words as well. But all in all, you guys have a great looking website. I would just definitely beef up the content. And for reference, excuse me, these are one of the bigger competitors in the Metroplex area, Tom's Mechanical. And again, these guys, they've been around for a long time, but they could definitely be beaten. I've done my research on them and used them as references, a competitor for several times now. And they've got at least 1,300 words on this homepage. And you can see it's just a ton of content. But it's all very easily beatable. Again, just needs to be beefed up on you guys' homepage. And Texas Air Authorities, again, these guys pop up about the fifth or sixth spot on the first page of Google's organic search results, and I think they're sitting right around the same. I think they might even have a little bit over 1,500. But I'll get more into detail about how both of these guys are very beatable in the grand scheme of things. So, like I was saying, the other thing that we want to talk about is going to be your backlinks. So, going back to your website, I have it plugged into Ahrefs. This is a tool that we pay for, and it gives us all the data that Google can find by crawling everyone's websites. So the thing is that you guys do have some trust flow. Obviously, your guys are a legit company. You've done good work and stuff like that, and you have about 300 backlinks and about 50 websites, with those backlinks scattered throughout them. The thing is we would want to see you guys having about 600 to 700 backlinks and about 100 to 150 referring domains. And the thing is this number is your power. So you guys have some trust. You're just not getting a ton of power from that trust. And that chances are because, some of these backlinks we have, they need to be more relevant to your industry. But that is definitely okay. Going over to Tom's Mechanical, we have these same guys. So let me go back to the overview. I have them plugged into the same tool as well. So you can see they've got a little bit more trust, and they've definitely got some power coming back to that. That's what boosts their organic presence. As you can see, they have 630 backlinks and 101 referring domains. But again, that's why I was saying for you guys to be able to beat them out, you'd want to have this number at about 750 to 800, and try and have 200 to 300 referring domains. And the same thing goes with Texas Air Authorities. So this is why I was saying these guys would definitely they could easily be beaten, and you guys could get yourself on that first page of Google and get some of this traffic that both of these guys are getting. Because see, they've got some trust, but they're not getting hardly any power back to it. And see, they have an astounding number of backlinks, but a lot of them without even going into it, the reason this number is so low is a lot of these backlinks are coming from websites that aren't relevant to the HVAC industry. That's why they're not getting any power from it. So that's essentially what backlinks are. The last thing being is your citations. So going over to the Google Map Pack, simply what a citation is how many times your business's name, phone number, and address are going to be listed throughout various directories on the internet, like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yext, White Pages, things like that. Facebook even has a spot, that counts as when you list your business in Facebook, that counts as a citation as well. Excuse me. So this is WhiteSpark. This is another tool that we use to do competitor research. It shows us exactly how many citations some of these companies, some of you guys as competitors would have. So you can see like Texas Air Authorities, again, these guys, not only do they have not the strongest backlinks, they only have 16 citations, okay? Max Mechanical, if you notice, these guys pop up at the number 3 spot in the Google My Business and their number 4 spot in the organic search results. But again, another thing that give you guys a leg up on them is even though they have 82 citations and Tom's Mechanical has 33, over at SEO Samurai, we have access to a list of about 500 directories for valid citations. So what we could do is what I would recommend is go in and find get yourselves 100 to 150 citations, maybe even 200 if you wanted, but that alone is going to give you guys a chance at outranking them on the Google Map Pack and get you guys some more traffic as well. And not only is it going to get you more traffic and put you in front of them, it's going to create a big gap, so it takes them a long time to go catch back up to you. But yeah, Miss Leanne, I mean, again, that's more or less it. The things I covered real briefly were content. I definitely try and, again, you guys' website looks great. Just to be authoritative and rank for the keywords that you guys want to rank for. And you have some good ones in here, like AC Repair Arlington, AC Arlington, AC Parts Arlington, Texas. All of these are good, but to be able to rank in a higher position for them, Google wants to see more content on you guys' homepage, so at least 1,500 words. Definitely be shooting for some more backlinks. Let's see, the number is at 300. Definitely would want to build that out to about 4 or 5, 600, and get you guys at least 150 referring domains. And then citations, the same thing. Want to get you about 150 to 200 citations and completely blow you guys out of some of these bigger competitors. Put you on that first page of Google, put you in the top 2 of the Google Map Pack, and just help you guys gain some of that traffic that I feel like you probably rightfully deserve. So, yeah, that's more or less it. I'll keep it brief. I appreciate your time. Again, my name is Peter Gilpin. I'm with SEO Samurai. I'll shoot this video over. If you guys have any questions, concerns, or want to discuss anything further as far as what I might be able to do to help, I would definitely encourage a call back. My number is 682-269-6391. Again, that's 682-269-6391. And hey, if you just want to take it, run with it, and do it yourself, I'm totally fine by that. I appreciate you guys. Hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.